Welcome to Maths class children. In the previous class we have started with our new exercise, that is 2.3. Yes. So in 2.3 exercise in our previous class we have learned first bit, third bit and fourth bit. Yes. Why you don't have your second bit on that day itself? I said that you have second bit space limited there. Yes. You have second bit space is less. So if you write there it will become clumsy and you will not understand also. So on that day itself I said that we will do that second bit in the classwork. Okay. So today we are going to do that second bit in the classwork. But on that day we have completed our first bit, third bit and fourth bit. So these are all of same children. So if you learn the concept of checking, you can complete this. You can do this chapter very easily. So in first bit we have done checking of the numbers and we have found which is the greater number and which is the smallest number. In the first bit by using symbols we have marked the greatest number and the smallest number. Yes. Again in the third bit we have circled the greatest number. Yes, the third bit is related to the greatest number. Again there also we have done the checking, like counting checking, individual each and every bit checking we have done in the third bit. Yes. So in the third bit we have identified and we have marked the number with circling. Yes. So we have circled the greatest number in our third bit. Okay children. So in the fourth bit is also we have done in the same way. There also we have done the circling. There also we have done the checking of counting and individual number checking also we have done, and there we have done the circling of smallest number. Okay. So there in the fourth bit we have done the circling of smallest number. So these three bits, like identifying of greatest and smallest and marking is only different in all the three bits, but the common thing is identifying the greatest and the smallest numbers. Yes. So here also in the second bit here also you have the same checking of the numbers. So second bit here you have what you have here, you have to arrange the numbers. You have to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Yes. I think you have learned this ascending and descending order in your previous class children. What is ascending and descending order? See, suppose if you have steps in your home, you will get on the stairs, you will get on the steps now. Yes. Few people they will play on steps also, but it is very dangerous children. Yes. So if you have steps like this, yes, if you have steps like this, so getting on the steps, see, getting on the steps from first step to the last step, getting on the steps is called ascending order. Ascending order, getting on the steps is called ascending order, where you have to pick always the smallest number. Yes, smallest number. Why? Because from the lower place, from the small step, from the down you are getting no. So you have to remember ascending order means getting on the stairs. Okay. So from smallest number to the biggest number. But actually every time in ascending order you have to pick out the smallest number. Okay. And the next one you have here is descending order. What is descending order? Now you got on the steps and you went up, no? Yes. So from there you will get down. Yes. So coming down, getting down is called a descending order. Getting down is called descending order, means from the greatest place. Yes. From the biggest place or the greatest place. Yes. The greatest place or the biggest place, from the height, from up to down you will come now. Up means what? Very big one. So in descending order means from the big number to the smallest number. So in descending order always you have to pick the big number or the greatest number from your all numbers. Okay children, I hope you have understood. Ascending order means smallest to biggest number. You have to pick the smallest number always. Descending order means getting down the steps. You have to pick out the biggest number always. That will be from biggest to smallest. So you have to pick out the biggest number always. So ascending order means smallest number you have to pick. Descending order means greatest number you have. Okay children, so today we have few questions here where you have to arrange those numbers in ascending order and descending order also. So we will see with the first question. So first we will write the question. So whenever you are writing in the class for children, you have to write like me, chapter number, date, exercise number, page number, then you write the heading, then you have to start with your problems. Yes, so this is the first question children you have, and for this first question, first you are arranging in ascending order. So you have to write like this, A dot O. A dot O means ascending order. So ascending order means which number you have to pick? You have to pick the smallest number. From smallest number it will go to the biggest number. Okay, so how you have to check? First you have to do counting checking. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in all the places you have the 4-digit number. So we have to check with individual number now. 3, 3, 3, 3. Sorry, 4. So 3, 3, 3, 4. So from these all the numbers, which one is the smallest one? 3 and 4. Yes. So 3 is the smallest number, but in that 3 also you have 3 set of numbers. So only in that 3 we will go to the next digit checking. So 4, 4, 4. See, in these 3 sets you have 4, 4, 4. The second digit is also same. So we will move on to the third digit. 2, 5, 2. So which will be the smallest one? 2, 5, 2. Yes, 2 is the smallest one, but again in that 2 also you have 2 sets, so you have to check one more digit, 3 and 5. So in this 3 and 5, which is the smallest one? Yes, 3 is the smallest one. So this complete set will become your first number in your ascending order. Okay, so 3428 is the number in your first ascending order. Now you check the other 3 digits, 3 set of numbers. Okay, so check 3, 3, 4. So which is the smallest one? Yes, 3 is the smallest one. So you check second digit in your 3. 4, 4. Yes, you got same digits again in your second digit. Go to third digit, 5 and 2. So which is the smallest one? Yes, number 2. So this complete set will become your second set. 3425. Okay children, now we will move on to the third checking. So this first set will finish. The other set, third one also you got here in the second place. So we will check in more. We will check the other 2 sets also. See here you have 3 and 4. So which is the smallest one? Yes, number 3. So our answer we got from directly from the first place. 3456. Okay. Then 3 sets finished. So what will be the next one? Only left out one is 4238. Yes. So this is about your ascending order children. I hope you have understood. We have written smallest number to the greatest number. Okay. Now we have to arrange these same numbers. These same numbers we have to arrange in descending order. Yes, I will tell you in very easy way children. If you have arranged one order, the other order becomes very easy. Why? Because this is there from smallest to biggest, Now in descending order what you have to do? Biggest number, greatest number you have to pick. So from this all the other numbers, if you see carefully number is there in the last. Already they are there in arranged. Okay, arranged form. So you can pick from the last and you can write. Your descending order will become very easy. See, the last set you have to write here 4238. Then you take the next set 3456. Next 3425. Then 3420. Okay, see, if you arrange the numbers in one order, either in ascending order or descending order, the other order, if you write from back, it will be enough, children. It will be sufficient. Why? Because they are there already in the order. Then if you write from the back, it will become your correct order. Okay, children. So this is about your first one. I hope you have understood about your first one. You can copy down in your classwork, children. Yes, if you copy down this one in your classwork, I will erase this one and I will write the second one. Yes, so this is about your first one. Now we will do the second one. So this is your second question, children. You have again here also 4 set of numbers. Yes, in this 4 set of numbers, you have all the 4 sets with the 4 digits only. So what you have to do? You have to go for individual number to number checking. You have to go. So first we have to write ascending order. So check 5, 4, 4, 5. So which number you have to pick? As you are writing ascending order means smallest number you have to pick. Okay, so ascending order means smallest number. So from this 5, 4, 4, 5, which is the smallest number? Here you have 5 and 4, but they are of two numbers. Okay, so 4 is the smallest number. From this 4, which is the smallest, again you have to go for second digit checking. 2 and 8. So in this 2 and 8, which is the smallest number? Yes, 2 is the smallest number. So this complete set will become your first set of number. Very smallest number in your numbers, 4236. Okay, now check in the other 3 numbers. Now you have 5, 4, 5. Which is the smallest one? 5, 4, 5. So in this 5 and 4, which is the smallest one? Yes, it is number 4. So this complete set will become number second set. Okay, 4823. Yes, this 4823 is your second set, children. Now we will check in the other 2. We have to fill the other sets also, no, children. So we will check in the other sets also. Yes, see here number 5. Here also number 5. From this 5 and 5, we cannot find which is the smallest number. So we will go to the next number. It is 6 and 4. From this 6 and 4, which is the smallest one? 6 and 4. So yes, this 4 is the smallest one. So it will come to third place. So 5423. So this 5423 is the third smallest number in your second one. Now what you have, children? The other set, one set is left. So without checking, you have no other numbers to check also. So the complete set will become your last number, the greatest number in all the numbers, that is 5689. Okay, so this complete ascending order is arranged. All the numbers in ascending order we have arranged. So just now I said, no, children, if you arrange the numbers in one order and the other order, you can write from the last and it becomes the other order. Yes, so here you have from smallest to biggest number. In descending order you have to write from the biggest to smallest number. Yes, no children? So here you have to take from last. So 5689, next 5423, next 4823. Only from last you have to check C and write 4236. Okay, so this is about your second children. You can copy down in your classroom. Now we'll see the last one, the third one. More you have 3 questions, but from that I will do only one problem, C problem, and the other 2 you have to think and write in your classroom. Okay, so I am rubbing this one. Now we will move on to the C one. Yes, this third one you have children. So these numbers also you have to arrange in ascending order. See all the numbers are of same 4 digits. So check by one digit. 1, 2, 3, 1. So which is the smallest one? 1, 2, 3, 1. 1 is the smallest one. So in this one also you have 2 sets children. So you have to move on to the next digit. 0, 0. Yes, 0, 0 is also same number. So go to the third number. And 5. So which is the smallest number? We have to check the smallest number. 2 and 5. Yes, so 2 is the smallest number. So this complete set will become your first smallest number. Okay, now check the second one. Next digits you check 2, 3, 1. Which is the smallest one? 1 is the smallest one. So this complete set will come in second place. Okay, now check the other 2 sets 2 and 3. Which is the smallest one? Yes, number 2 is the smallest one. So this complete set will become your third set of number. Now only one set is left. So that set we will take in the last place. The biggest number of complete ascending order. Okay. Now what you have to do children? Now you have arranged in ascending order. What you have to do? Just now I said no, if you arrange in ascending order, if you take from last, it will become your descending order. So write the numbers 3425, next 2587, next 1051, next 1023. Yes, now we have arranged the third question numbers in ascending and descending order. Yes, I hope everybody you have understood about this ascending and descending order children. Now copy down all these problems, and in this second bit you have D and E as homework, and this you have to do in classroom book itself. Yes children, after this continuation part you have to do this D and E as homework. Okay children, I will meet you in the next class with next topic. Thank you.